Beard and face wash. Formulated with mild cleansers and menthol, giving a light cooling sensation that leaves the skin feeling refreshed and comfortable. Transparent shave gel. Clear, non-foaming gel stays clear during your shave so you can edge and shave accurately every day. Beard oil. Non-greasy formula, infused with 99% plant-based oils such as argan, jojoba, avocado, macadamia seed and almond oils to moisturize dry skin under the beard as well as soften your beard. Fragranced with scents of bergamot, geranium and cedarwood to leave your beard smelling great. King C. Gillette Beard Care Starter Kit includes our 11 ounces beard wash, 5 ounces shave gel, and 1 ounce beard oil. The pinnacle of over a century's worth of innovation and expertise, and the only range that bears the name of our company's founder, King C. Gillette. Having a beard is more than just letting your facial hair grow. Maintaining a well-groomed beard is a craft that requires the right tools. Fueled by the spirit of our founder, the new King C. Gillette line includes a complete set of precision tools and quality care products, to enable every man to create his own unique style. The King C. Gillette Beard Care Starter Kit includes essentials to care for and maintain your beard. This beard care kit includes our 11 ounces beard wash, 5 ounces shave gel, and 1 ounce beard oil. Top reviews from the United States. Great shave and great smell. I have used supermarket shave supplies like Neutrogena, Barbasol, etc. Before moving on to Jack Black, Origins, and Kiehl's. Thought to try this as it was something new, and happy I did. Smell is awesome, and having the beard oil as a pre-shave in combination with the shave gel is a great experience with no irritation whatsoever.